So typically we're using the software for M&E work. We do a bit of fabric work, but that tends to be in relation with partners. So other companies using the system, we tend to team up and do work together. But the plan is we will be moving into fabric. We have a couple of people in the company that can do fabric surveys, which they've done in their former jobs, but we're just training them up again. But their plan will be, to use Kykloud for fabric as well. Why did we start using Kykloud? Well, we wasn't actually looking for a system originally. We went to an event and we met up with Transport for London, and they talked to us about doing surveys, and we got on a tender for being their incumbent survey company. And the conversation sort of went on from there, and they talked about M&E asset surveys, and at the time we were doing basic M&E asset surveys on smaller buildings, but Transport for London presented a problem where it's such a huge portfolio for us that we needed to look at ways of how we could capture the information, again being consistent. So we actually went out to the market and spoke to about 4 or 5 companies, and a lot of them were almost like Excel type systems. It was very basic. You collect the information, you give them an Excel document. There's nothing really met their needs when it comes to reports and stuff like that as well. So when we had a conference call with Edda initially, and then Simon come down and presented us, and within 15 minutes we knew the system was absolutely perfect for us, to be quite honest. So we went on the basis that you could have the app using the iPads. We didn't need to use things like pads and pens and cameras. It was all done on one iPad, so that's why we went with it as a nice system. So not only, like I say, it's a way of us surveying faster, but we can also allow our clients to use the information in a way that makes us more competitive. So there's, it's a way of them looking at the information and be able to, look at the 25-year life cycle rather than just having bits of paper around, basically. But technology is advancing so fast these days, it's really hard to keep up with it. But so we're glad we found you, to be quite honest.